Hey guys, so here's a vacuum line tap I bought on Amazon for the broken vacuum stem on one of the intake pipes on an F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost, and I'm going to show you how to put these in. So you get a piece of like baling wire, nice long piece, and you fish it through the vacuum tip like this. Then insert the vacuum tip and baling wire all the way through one end of your intake pipe, and then slowly fish it out to where you see it pop out of the hole, and then secure the screw once it pops out right there, and now you fixed your intake pipe without having to buy, $150, $200 worth of parts. Okay, so once you've fished it through all the way to this point, you got that little hook on the end. Now all you have to do is just kind of push it on up. Maybe get one of your hook tools, like one of these, and just go through and snake it out. Oops, sorry, wasn't focused in there. Snake it out carefully. Like this. And now once you have it to this point, sorry, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. Bend this tab over so it doesn't fall out again. And then you can take your nut, pull this out all the way like this. And then secure that nut right over that. Screw it down nice and tight. Okay. Now you got that nice and tight. Now you can take your wire cutters, clip this part off, so you don't need that. Push this on through, and then pull it, just kind of jiggle it, get it on out. There it goes. And then you just want to tighten this nut up. Nice. Sorry about that. Just get in there nice and tight. There you go. Now you fixed your broken vacuum tap connector on 3.5 EcoBoost intake pipes. You're welcome.